Hello everybody, let's go driving in the snow. So it's snowing today. The roads are obviously covered and slippery, but remember, you have to do all the necessary checking. Just don't drive, and you have to watch your speed. So I'm backing out of my driveway, so I'm checking like crazy. I keep my steering wheel straight so I can go back in a straight line. And we're gonna be driving to the left, so now I start turning the steering wheel to the right. Keep checking everywhere. Put the drive check to the right before driving off. And we have a stop sign here, but if there's a white line there, you can't see it, so just stop right out to the edge of the roadway and have the right signal on. Check to the left and then you go. Now the speed here is usually 30 kilometers an hour, and I'm driving at 30 at the moment. Now at the stop sign, I'm making a right turn, signal right, mirror, and stop before the sidewalk, because you can see there's a sidewalk there. Check to the left, and if it's clear, then we proceed, and it's hand over hand steering. Once the car is straightened out, then you recover. Now as you can see, the windshield is all messed up because of the melting snow, so make sure you put your wipers on. Now at the stop sign, it's a left turn, signal left, check the rear view mirror. And you can't see the white line, so you just stop at the stop sign. Check, left, right, and make the turn. Hand over hand steering. Once you recover, then you continue. At the stop sign ahead, right turn. Signal right, check the rear view mirror and the right shoulder. Make sure there's no one there. And turn the wheel to the right. They call this hugging the curb. Then you check to the left, and it's safe distance away from that car, so we proceed. Now the speed here usually is 40, and you can do 40. You can still see the pavement, so it's okay to drive at 40. I'm right on 40 right now, and I'm sure you can see the snowflakes coming down. Now I'll be turning right into the gas station ahead, so of course put the signal on early, check the mirror and blind spot, get into the right turn lane. Now remember, you're going to the gas station, you have to remember where your gas tank is, whether it's on the driver's side or the passenger side, because I've seen I've seen people go into the gas station trying to fill up, but then the hose cannot reach their car. So I have to basically tell them, no, you have to go around. Now in my case, there's a car in there, but my gas tank is on the driver's side, so I'm just, there's an empty one, so I'm gonna go into this space to get my gasoline. Okay, So it's the gas tank is on my right side, so I'm right here. Straighten out your wheel, and you want to drive up further because the gas tank is back there. You don't want to be stretching the hose, so go further up, just about there, and you're good. Okay, so I turn my wipers off, I put my parking brake on, gear selector to park, and now I can shut the car off because I'm at the gas station getting some gasoline. I'm gonna fill up because it's a snowy day, so you don't want to take chances driving with a half a tank or a quarter of a tank. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope this was helpful. Thank you. Bye for now.